In this tutorial, we're going to be going over LeetCode 58, length of last word. Now, this is part of the Top Interview 150, a playlist I highly recommend going through. This is saying, given a string S consisting of words and spaces, return the length of the last word in the string. A word is a maximal substring consisting of non-space characters only. Now, you can see here our first example is hello world, and it's turning as 5 as that's the length of the last word world. In this case, fly me to the moon, you see a lot of unnecessary spacing, so keep that in mind. And it's also taking the length here of just moon, being 4. Now we can come over to our coding section, and we can actually do this in one line. First, we're going to do return, and we're going to do len, as that's the main function you can use to take the length of something. Next, we're going to do s, as that's our variable, dot strip. Now what this is going to do is it's going to remove unnecessary spacing, say like here. After that, we can then pass through dot split. Now what split is going to do is it's going to take these two words here, and it's going to put them into a list. I'll put an example on screen so you guys can see. That's going to allow us to do what we're going to do next by indexing -1. This allows us to take the last element within a list, and essentially we're going to take the length of it. Now we can run this to test, and you can see it's working. Now we can submit, and you can see this beats 100% of answers in terms of runtime and 70% in terms of memory, so it is very efficient. Now that's you can do LeetCode 58, length of a word. Feel free to leave any questions or comments on any other tutorials you'd like to see. Please like and subscribe, and I hope that helps.